parents' house. I actually left my camera all the way back home, so I'm here vlogging on my phone right now. But this is to quickly intro the video. We did another Walmart hide and seek game, and the loser went on the intercom. Go drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and without further ado, roll the video. Okay, yo, Strawberry Squad, we are at Walmart right now. I'm in Pickering. I'm with the guys. We got Cameron, we got Stevie, and guys, we're gonna play a quick game of hide and seek in Walmart. You guys have been requesting that we go and do a Walmart video again. Just like always, the loser is going to
on the intercom. But yo, let me tell you guys something.
What? Here we go. Here we go. Cameron's time to shine.
You guys know I don't lose because you never
hold it from there.
My bad.
From up here.
All right, you guys know that I don't lose. Have I ever lost? The answer is no. So guess what's gonna happen?
He's learning. He's learning the camera slap.
Yo,
only I can slap the Strawberry Squad. Okay, let's see.
You're gonna let him hit you like that though? But us PK mans don't lose, you know.
Lose winners for life.
Yo, you guys are so cringe. Why do you talk like that? Man's just got a beef tank. Man's just from Pickering. Why do you talk like that, yo?
We don't talk like that.
Guys, please back me up in the comments and tell me that these guys talk weird.
Yo,
like
when I tell you this man talks weird, he talks like a weast man.
Who talks like that, yo? Anyways, on with the video, guys. We're gonna jump right into this. Walmart closes in about 30 minutes from now, so we gotta make this quick, guys. And then at the end, we are going to go on the intercom. The loser is going to have to go and make the sex noises. And yo, this is the Walmart, guys, that in the previous video, they kicked us out, guys. The manager here literally hates us, so we gotta be super slick about this. If we get caught, yo, it's red flag. They called the cops last time.
You know, they called the cops, but guess what, man?
Oh my god. This guy, I cannot make videos with this guy. Guys, you wouldn't believe what my trip was like going to LA on a road trip for 36 hours with this guy in the car. Buddy was eating sunflower seeds in the car. He completely ruined my new car. Buddy was singing the entire time.
Everybody debating on me. A nigga wrote a statement on me. My life didn't want to take it from me. So I got a 380 on me. I woke up, first thing I used to do was write you. Now I put on my diamond chain before I left you. Now I drink a Gatorade before I sweat you. Now I wish I never ever even thinking if it's the
Kyle loves my singing, yo. I can't even lie to you, man.
Oh yeah, I do by now. Cameron, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, bud. I'm sorry.
That guy just totally looked at us like, what the fuck?
What?
Can we do the video? Like,
Okay. So yo,
I'll do eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by the toe. If he hollers, let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Out you must go. So I'm out.
Okay, now it's you two.
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by the toe. If he hollers, let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Out you must go.
But now one of us are gonna be the loser, fam.
Wait, that means I can't lose, right?
Can't lose, fam.
Let's go! But yo, you guys gotta be good on the intercom. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to do it. Yo, if they suck, guys, like, I'll go on the intercom. Don't worry, I'm savage, but...
hey, man.
Hey, man.
We're gonna be making
Come
all
on,
types
man.
of noises.
Hey,
we know the
man.
noises.
Hey,
we know the noises, man.
We know the noises.
Oh yeah, I know you know all the noises, Stevie. You and Cameron last night? I could hear it. Alright. Anyways, guys, we are going to get this started. I am apparently it. So yo, what should I count to?
500?
30? 500? Gonna be closed by the time I'm done.
Count to 30. No, 45.
45, right, very specific. Okay, guys, I'm gonna count to 45. Cameron and Stevie are gonna hide. Whoever I catch first is going to be the loser and has to go on the intercom in front of the whole Walmart.
Hey, ma. Hey,
ma.
hey. Whoa, what's going on? All right, I have something to say. What are you doing? Can you let me speak? Like, can I go? Am I
What's wrong with this guy, man?
That's what I call the awkward camera pose. All right, I'm counting. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yo, guys, I'm out of here, fam. I'm about to... Oh, no, the workers up here. We're walking at a nice pace. They're trying to blend in with the crowd.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 18, 25, 35, 40.
I'm hiding. I don't know if you could see, but you know, I'm pretty well hidden. I'm hidden in some pants, man. You know, I like to get up in those pants, man. When I tell you guys that there's no way I'm losing this game, there's no way I'm losing this game. There's no way I'm getting caught. But that's it for now. I'll catch up with you in a second.
See these things right here? I have to go inside of that. I have to find my way in. This is the thing with everyone who plays this. They go where the toilet papers are. Hide in the toilet paper. You're gonna get found. You're gonna get found, obviously.
Where the hell are these guys? Yo, knowing Cameron and how clumsy and dumb he is, I'm definitely catching him first. If I was Cameron, where would I hide? Probably in the little girl section. Because, you know, Cameron's a little girl. Oh, Cameron! Stevie? Cameron? I'm gonna find you guys!
Yo. This guy's so clueless, man. When I tell you he's clueless, he's clueless. Now, I'm just holding my phone out. I look like an idiot.
They have no idea where this guy is. I'm walking in the middle of the store, like middle of the store in a hide and seek game.
Okay guys, I think I'm in the clothing section right now. Now approaching the food section. Knowing Stevie's fat ass, he's probably in the food section. Yo, that was an employee right there.
That was sketch.
Chill. There he is, fam. He's not even looking. It's Kyle. It's strong. It's big strong. I'm hiding behind these boxes right now.
I found Stevie.
Yo, fam, he's right there, fam.
Where?
I'm following him, literally following him, fam. He's literally right up there, fam. I've been on him, so.
Say a word. You're following him? I was
Where is
following
he?
before too.
Where is he? Yo, chill, hold up.
Guys, at this point, I think like they just left Walmart. There's no way that they're still in here. Guys, I literally checked everywhere. Unless we're like going in loops, I'm walking around this way and they're walking around this way, then there's no way they're still in the store.
This is hide and seek, so we will hide for a bit, you know? This guy Kyle sucks, fam. Walmart's about to be closed. This guy still has not found us. Cameron, how you doing over there, man?
Yo, this might be the best hiding spot, fam. I got like a little pillow in here. I'm hella comfy, man. Kyle's not finding us, I promise you that.
That's an employee. Okay guys, I hate to say this, but I've been walking around for like 25 minutes now. No sign of Stevie, no sign of Cameron. Walmart is about to close in like 5 or 10 minutes, so I'm just gonna have to forfeit and call this guy. Yo. Dude, where are you guys?
Are you at Walmart?
Yeah? Did you guys leave? Did you guys leave?
No.
Where are you?
We're about to leave. Yeah, did you leave? Like, be honest.
You guys are still in Walmart.
We're still at Walmart, but we're there.
Where are you? Yo, you guys right here. Yo.
You lost, man.
What the hell? Where were you guys the whole time? Dude, I was walking around for like 25 minutes.
When I tell you we were following this guy, you'll see on the clips, but we were following you. We headed that shelf right there. Headed that shelf, we had a rap battle, man. Just know, he lost. Don't worry about
Wait,
what
does that mean I have to go on the intercom?
Yeah, let me hold
How
this
do
for
I
you.
always go on the intercom, yo? I'm gonna be able to look at the footage and hopefully these guys aren't lying to me right now. I feel like they're trolling me. I feel like you guys were outside in the parking lot the entire time because I could not find you. Dude, I was walking around for 25 minutes.
To be honest, I'm kind of disappointed. I thought one of us would get caught. You actually suck.
What? Okay guys, I lost fair and square. Apparently, if they're telling the truth, then I just couldn't find them. I'm an idiot. Is it on?
Oh my god, hurry up.
Attention all Walmart employees. This is Stromedy at youtube.com. Please like and subscribe. And to all the managers in the store, I don't like you. You guys are very mean. With all that being said, everything in the store is 100% free for the next 5 minutes. So happy shopping, guys, and have a splendid day. Oh, yeah. Oh. Yeah. Smack it just like that.
Go. No! Bitch! Yo, she's calling security. Where's the car? Yo, where do we park? Stevie, man, you were on park duty.
know,
You were on car duty. Where the hell's the car? Yo, was she calling the cops? Yo, she was definitely on the phone. Did you see her there?
I don't know. I know she called security, fam. I can't even lie.
Buddy, we gotta get out of here. That's our second time at this Walmart. They probably know our faces.
I live here.
Yo, there's a cruiser right there.
Shut up, fam.
So, yeah, right there. It's pulling in. Right over there. Do you see it?
Say word.
You see it?
So why you?
Guys, cops just pulled in. I don't know how the hell they managed to pull in that quickly, but apparently they have nothing better to do in Pickering than exercise their power at Walmart. And here to outro the video for you guys. I hope you enjoyed that. That was literally the most cringiest noise that I ever did on the intercom. They called the cops, guys. I didn't get it on camera, but the cops did pull up and it was absolutely insane. That's the second time that we got caught at that Walmart. And those managers, those employees, they literally hate us. So going back back for a third time is gonna be a little bit risky, but hopefully if we do go back, we can bring a whole bunch of the guys and we can have like a 10-man hide and seek game. With all that being said, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. I will catch you in the next one. I literally have a whole bunch of bangers stocked up. Don't forget to check out that merch down below in the description. You guys know it's that Del's Curls Dreams movement, baby, because if you're not following your dreams, then what are you doing? And guys, as always, until next time, I love you. Hope you guys are having a great day. And as always, peace!
What?
Oh no, I'm just holding. I'm just like training.
No, leave.
You never heard of vlog ups?
No. Just put it down and go.
Oh, okay. So I can like film, but just put it down.
No.
Oh, okay.